We see drones making a huge impact on so many industries, from speeding up construction to helping first responders. So naturally, a lot of farmers are interested to see what drones can do for their operations. But the first question isn't usually which drone to buy. It's whether a drone program actually makes sense for their operation. Questions like, should you buy your own drone or just hire a service provider? What does it really cost to run a drone program? And once you collect all the data, what do you actually do with it? So let's break down what farms really need to know before investing in agricultural drones. For many farms, the first decision is whether to own the equipment or outsource the service. Hiring a drone service provider can make sense if you only need data a few times per season. For example, occasional crop scouting, periodic field mapping, or a few spray missions during peak pest pressure. But if drone data or spraying is something you plan to use regularly, owning the equipment often becomes more cost-effective. Many growers now use drones for stand counts and early crop analysis, identifying weeds, pests, or disease, creating prescription maps, targeted spraying and monitoring crop health throughout the season. Drone programs can process stand counts in as little as 10 to 20 minutes or capture more complex field data and provide insights within 24 to 36 hours, dramatically reducing the time it takes to identify issues and respond. So the key question is, how frequently will you use the technology? Buying the drone is only part of the equation. Cost will vary for all the following items, but a typical drone program includes several ongoing costs. First, batteries and charging equipment. Since agricultural drones often operate for hours per day, you definitely need more than one battery. It's often recommended to have one battery with the drone, another one on deck, and a third charging. Since batteries need time to cool down, you definitely don't want to fly with the battery that's hot out of the charger. Second, training and licensing. In the US, commercial drone pilots need a Part 107 certification, and spraying operations require a Part 137 license for applying pesticides or agricultural chemicals. Third, software platforms for mapping, analytics, or prescription generation. These often come as a subscription with prices depending on how large your operation is. And finally, maintenance and repairs, which are inevitable with equipment operating in tough farm environments. When farms plan for these costs up front, drone programs are a lot easier to scale and manage. One concern we hear frequently is running a drone program complicated? The answer is that it can be, but most modern agricultural platforms are designed to simplify the process. Many drones now support automated flight planning, terrain following, intelligent route generation, and automated spraying workflows. For example, mapping drones can automatically capture images that are processed into field maps, orthomosaics, and vegetation indices like NDVI. Those insights help farmers understand crop health, irrigation level, and vegetation stress across entire fields. Instead of manually scouting acres of crops, operators can analyze the entire field digitally. Another common concern is the data processing side. After a flight, images are uploaded into software platforms that generate orthomosaic maps, crop health indices, stand counts, and prescription maps for treatment. Platforms like Drone Deploy and others can automatically process imagery and create actionable insights for farm management. The goal is not just collecting data, but turning that data into decisions that farmers can act on. For example, identifying pest outbreaks early, adjusting fertilizer levels, or only targeting affected areas with spraying, saving you both time and money. Drone data becomes even more powerful when it integrates with existing farm systems. Prescription maps created from drone imagery can often be exported and used with variable rate fertilizer equipment, tractor-based systems and farm management software, and more. That means drones don't necessarily replace existing equipment, but they do enhance the precision of your whole operation. So instead of treating entire fields uniformly, farms can apply inputs exactly where they're needed. Agricultural drones are quickly becoming an important tool in modern farming. They help farmers identify problems faster, reduce chemical use, and protect crop yields. But the most successful drone programs always start with the right strategy. That's where working with experienced drone specialists can make a big difference. If you're exploring drone technology for your farm, the team at Drone Nerds can help you evaluate the right solution and build a program that actually works in the field. If you'd like more information on how Drone Nerds can help your operation, click the link below, and thanks for watching.